Hi, so it's end of 28th, and we are. Maruti posted this result, or definitely the result is definitely not good. But now the thing we have to ask ourselves is कि ये already price में discounted है कि नहीं. So of course, different people will have different opinion. Here, I'm just trying to put my opinion and the way I see it. So the result is bad, and this was already known. On the top of that, there's already a headwind for the whole auto sector, and the auto sector has been a laggard since few weeks now. So हम लोग मारुति के मंथली वीकली चार्ट से एनालिसिस स्टार्ट करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल ट्राई टू फाइंड इंटरेस्टिंग लेवल्स जहाँ पे हम ट्रेड ले सकते हैं एदर ऑन अ लॉन्ग साइड और ऑन अ शॉर्ट साइड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, राइट. सो यहाँ पे मैं ये पिंक लाइन ड्रॉ किया हूँ, एंड हियर यू कैन सी दैट ये जो फॉल आई थी ये आई थी कोरोना के जब फर्स्ट वेव आई थी इंडिया में, और वहाँ से लेके दिस हैज़ बीन एक्टिंग लाइक अ गुड लॉन्ग टर्म सपोर्ट आप कह सकते हो फॉर नाउ, और a medium term support, or larger than medium term support, because this has been what has been working since last 1 year, about 1 year or 1 year 3 months, or 1 year 1.5 year. So this is basically a long term support, and similarly you can see that after it made a high in the month of Jan towards 8400, and so this is now acting like a resistance. So आई होप ये लाइन ये जो आ रही है पिंक और ये पिंक, दिस इज अंडरस्टूड दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ रेजिस्टेंस. मल्टीपल टाइम्स यू कैन सी दैट दिस Maruti has been trying to move past this particular resistance, but it has not been able to. The last time it came and took a support in this long-term support was around about in the month of May, and from there it gave a good rally, and now you can see that I have drawn another red line, and this is basically a sort of short term support. So here we can say that जब भी मारुति इस लाइन में आई है इसको बाइंग मिली है, and this is also a sort of true. जो 4-5 सेशन पहले आई थी उसको भी बाइंग सपोर्ट मिली, एंड नाउ इट हैज़ क्लोज जस्ट ऑन द बॉर्डर, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू एक्चुअली सी एट टुमारो कि वो किस तरह से डायरेक्शन लेती है. ऑल्सो दिस चैनल अगर हम आवरली चार्ट पे जाते हैं, सो दिस विल बी, so here you can see that this channel has been a very good sort of short-term resistance for Maruti, and Maruti has been unable to cross this channel on multiple occasions. So at least 5-6 बार इस चैनल से ये रिट्रेस की है, and now very recently on 28th ये आज का ही सेशन है जिसमें वो फिर से चैनल में गई थी, and it had a sell off. It tried to regain again, but it was not able to. So as a result of which, on a short frame we will say that Maruti is bearish. There is absolutely no doubt until and unless ये channel अच्छे से convincingly break होती है. So that would mean a level of 7326. That would actually be a region where we should be थिंकिंग कि अच्छा ठीक है चलो अभी मारुति में हम लॉन्ग पोजीशन बना सकते हैं. जब तक ये चैनल अब ऊपर में नहीं होती है ब्रेकआउट, तब तक आई थिंक टेकिंग अ लॉन्ग पोजीशन ऑन मारुति वुड बी जस्ट अ गैम्बलिंग फॉर मी, एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली नॉट बी टेकिंग अ पोजीशन. मेरे लिए 7300 ये लेवल्स. सो आई वॉन्ट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड अगर कल ये गैप अप से ओपन होती है, सो थियोटिकली इट शुड बी फेसिंग राउंड अबाउट रेजिस्टेंस एट 7300, एंड राइट नाउ यू कैन सी दैट द सपोर्ट तो 7150 में है ही. एंड आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि अगर आप कोई ऑप्शंस डेटा एनालिसिस अगर आप करो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, दिस विल ऑल्सो बी द सेम structure where you will see that there will be some write-off happening at 7300 levels, and the reason for that would be basically that this channel has been acting like a big resistance. Now the thing going forward, agar market the good thing which happened is this particular downfall which happened, or this is a move which I really won't count, क्योंकि ये मूव इज मोर ऑफ इट लुक्स लाइक मोर ऑफ अ शॉर्ट कवरिंग और पीपल ट्राइंग टू क्लोज द पोजीशन सर बिफोर द मार्केट एंड द रीज़न वाज प्रीटी सिंपल. ये 7140 एक बहुत अच्छी एक लेट मी जस्ट ड्रॉ समथिंग हियर. सो यहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छी एक राउंडिंग पैटर्न बनी थी और यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेके ये ऊपर गई थी एंड देन दिस वाज वन लेवल. यू कैन सी ये ब्रेक हुई एंड देन दिस वाज अ सेकेंड लेवल, सॉरी ये वाली, and you can see that when this broke there was a severe selling and I'm pretty sure many of the people जो भी यहाँ पे long किए होंगे they had a very strict stop loss at 7141 at these levels, and as a result of which ये जब breakdown हुई and this breakdown came with a particular volume, so basically their stop losses got triggered and then Maruti went towards 7070. So as a when Maruti started climbing up, so maybe अगर हम 1 minute chart देखें तो और भी समझ में आएगा कि क्या हुआ है. Basically I never trade a company before results and it's only after that कि result के बाद ही मैं इस पे घुसता हूँ. So यही you can see that this was a very good sort of support. फिर यहाँ से bounce back आके ऊपर गई और फिर ये एक support थी, इसका breakdown आया and then eventually you can see that then this level was acting like a resistance over here. Similarly यहाँ पे जाके support ली and then this broke and this broke and then it went towards 7070 and then buying came which was around about at 7160 levels. Now of course there's one thing about dividend. I really don't play dividend and rather I prefer to stay away from this dividend counters. और अगर डिविडेंड ही चाहिए थी तो यू आर बाइंग मारुति फॉर 7100 फॉर 90 रुपीज़ डिविडेंड, जबकि बजाज ऑटो with such a good company or that recently gave a dividend of 180 rupees or 140, no matter what. मतलब 100 से ज़्यादा ही थी और उसका प्राइस नहीं अबाउट इसका 60-65% है. So if you are going for a dividend play, that's a different thing, that's your choice. But going forward, one of the things I can see is Maruti has a very strong support at 6945 6950 levels, and definitely that would be something of interest to me. And definitely this is I think going forward there can be more weakness in Maruti. And the logic is pretty simple, that the whole sector has been underperforming, and so if so Maruti is not able to move any differently from the generic sector. So going forward, अगर ये कल गैप डाउन से 7130 या 7100 में खुले, so make sure that ये 6950 या 6940 इन लेवल्स से अगर इसको वो आती है, रिवर्सल आती है, so that would be a good support. And maybe then we have to see if there is buying which occurs at these particular level. लेकिन जब तक ये जैसे हमें mention किया से this has been acting like a resistance for this channel. Until and unless it's able to break this channel, definitely I'm not going to go long. और अगर ये channel breakout होती है, so anything is possible. So just like you can see, this is a short term support, the red one, and this is a medium term a long term support. So अगर ये support break होती है, then the next would be a deep 6600 से 6400 ये levels में फिर मारुति easily touch कर सकती है. So that's all analysis, chart analysis I have for you. Just try to remember these particular levels. So जब तक मारुति 7300 के ऊपर नहीं जाती है, don't even think of going long, because that won't be prudent. मेरे ख्याल से ये जब तक इन levels इस level को breach करके ऊपर ना जाए, तब तक it's better to wait and watch and let the market decide in which direction it wants it to go. And theoretically अगर यहाँ से अगर breakdown आती है, so theoretically then it should just like you see over here, so it was able to get some support from here. So ये medium term support है, और अगर वो 7033 levels में आके अगर उसके नीचे ट्रेड होने लग गई, so going forward there will be much weakness, and theoretically then you should then try to stay away from, because then it will be something like this. So that won't be a good way of trading, or sorry, yeah, so basically then it will try okay, let me delete this. Yeah, so if it comes, if it breaks this one, then try to see if this particular level acts like a support, and if that happens, then theoretically then this particular line will start acting like a resistance. So the good thing is these lines are diverging, so as and when if it comes, then theoretically your risk reward ratio becomes really good. And more in terms of the further movement, अगर वो from upside अगर ये 7300 7350 break करती है, so try to make sure that you book your profits around over here. ये लाइन जो है ये मीडियम टर्म में बहुत अच्छी एक रेजिस्टेंस है, and Maruti has been not able to cross or break this one. So I think even if you are entering at 7300 and it goes to 75 7600 over here, so ये एक अच्छे 200-300 रुपए की ट्रेड आपकी बन सकती है. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to help you in taking your trades. In general, Maruti like company is more on buy on dips and trying to try to accumulate in bad quarters, and definitely going forward, especially with the relaxation of the COVID, I really don't think that there is much negative news which can affect this particular company. The only thing I am more on a bearish front is just because the auto sector has been underperforming, and it's not only Maruti, or all the other auto counters, they have been underperforming. And basically the good thing right now which I see is with Maruti's result, and if Maruti is able to turn its result, or अगर कल कोई अच्छी move देना start की, so this will act like a very good impetus for other auto companies, and then definitely I will try to keep a track on Bajaj Auto, and that will actually be a very good company for me. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to help you, and best of luck with your trading. As always, please consult your financial advisor before making any trades, as there are risks involved and you should be well aware of it. Thank you.